My name is Khakole Motloti, and today in the hot seat, we'll be speaking about the production and sales for manufacturing for the month of January 2017. Today I am joined by Mr. Nikolai Clausen, who is the Director for Industry Statistics at Statistics South Africa. Thank you so much for joining us, Mr. Clausen. Now, Stats.SA publishes manufacturing production figures on a monthly basis. The latest figures were published recently, providing us with the data for January 2017. Now, tell us briefly how the manufacturing did during that month compared with the month of January 2016.
Manufacturing production increased by 0.8% in January 2017. This followed a decrease of 2% in December 2016. The industry that had the biggest contribution in January was the metals and machinery division, which contributed 0.6 of a percentage point. This was followed by the petroleum, chemicals, rubber and plastic products division, which contributed 0.5 of a percentage point, and the furniture and manufacturing not elsewhere classified, which had a contribution of positive 0.4 of a percentage point.
Okay. Did manufacturing production increase or decrease in January 2017 compared with December 2016?
Manufacturing production decreased by 0.4% in January 2017. This followed slight increases of 0.2% in December and 0.3% in November.
Stats.SA also calculates how manufacturing did in the 3 months ended January 2017, which is November, December and January, compared with the 3 previous months, which is August, September and October. Tell us the results of this analysis.
So for those 3 months ended January 2017, manufacturing had a slight decrease of 0.4%. 7 of the 10 manufacturing divisions reported negative growth rates over this period. However, the metals and machinery division had a noteworthy positive contribution of 0.5 of a percentage point during this period.
Before we end off, tell us briefly how you collected the data for this release.
So Stats.SA draws a sample on an annual basis for the manufacturing survey. It consists of just over 3,000 manufacturing enterprises. We then send out questionnaires to these manufacturing enterprises, asking them to complete for us their individual information regarding production volumes and their actual sales. We then use these individual information from these manufacturing enterprises to calculate production indices and actual volumes of sales for specific manufacturing industries as well as overall manufacturing.
And when can we expect the next release?
The next release will be out next month. It will consist of our February 2017 results and it will be published on 11 April.
Thank you so much for joining us today, Mr. Clausen. That was Mr. Nikolai Clausen, who's the Director at Statistics South Africa. For more information on the report, please visit our website on www.statsa.gov.za. You can also subscribe on our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Twitter.